We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
A do domain, then yes, university admins can see anything and everything about it. Texts, emails, Google Drive content, keep notes, calendar. Everything. But if you are doing something with your Google Drive that is against Google or school policy, or worse, against the law, you can expect there will be repercussions. Can university administrators see the content of an unlimited Google?
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.